Hello everyone, welcome to Piping Fabrication course. Myself is Mukesh from mechanical background. I am working as a project engineer in oil and gas sector in Middle East for the past 15 years. Regarding our course, piping system is crucial to any process plant, or else we can say piping system is the heart of our industrial processes. Industries such as manufacturing, oil and gas, energy, agriculture and food, residential and commercial construction, chemical plants, etc. are the major industries which uses piping. So, how these are fabricated? What are the standards used? How to read isometric drawings? What are the shop activities involved? All these answers you will find in this course. In this course, I have explained the piping basics, code standards and specs used, important piping components like flanges, fittings, valves, gaskets, fasteners, etc. with their isometric symbols, isometric drawing basics, detailed study of different isometrics with fabricated spools, piping inch dia and bill of quantity, fabrication schedule, and shop activities like fit up, welding, hydro test, etc. The main highlight of this course is the exclusive videos from the shop floor. Each and every activities are well explained in detail. As you can see, this is a complete package with real-time examples from industry. Moreover, this is a unique course since piping fabrication is rarely taught in any training centers or institutes. Get enrolled and enhance your knowledge in piping. Thank you everyone for watching this preview.